Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some surprising developments surrounding General Hospital. And trust me, this one has fans talking for all the right and wrong reasons. Let's get straight into it. When Ryan Paevey returned to the show as Casius Faison, it should have been a major moment. A name like Faison carries history, tension, and built-in drama. Naturally, viewers expected something big, something that would shake Port Charles and leave a lasting impact. But instead of building momentum, things started to feel uncertain almost immediately. Just as fans were getting used to seeing Casius on screen, attention shifted toward Ryan's new project, the holiday film Christmas at Moose Lake, with Great American Media. Now let's be fair, there's nothing wrong with an actor exploring new opportunities. That's how the industry works. The problem isn't the project. It's the timing. From a viewer's perspective, it feels like the story never got the chance to fully breathe. Before audiences could connect with Casius or understand his purpose, everything started to feel rushed and unstable. And this isn't the first time fans have seen this pattern. A character arrives with hype. There's mystery, excitement, maybe even a dramatic entrance. Viewers lean in, expecting big twists and emotional payoff. But then the story slows down, direction gets unclear, and suddenly the character fades into the background or disappears entirely. That kind of storytelling creates frustration. Because fans don't just watch for appearances, they watch for payoff. They want characters to matter. They want stories that build, evolve, and leave a mark. When that doesn't happen, it breaks trust between the show and its audience. And right now, that trust feels a little shaken. What makes this situation stand out even more is the contrast. Over at Great American Media, Ryan Pavey is being welcomed as a leading man, someone whose charm and presence are central to the project. Meanwhile, on General Hospital, viewers are still unsure whether Casius was ever meant to be a long-term investment. That difference is hard to ignore. It makes the show feel uncertain at a time when confidence is exactly what fans want. Because after decades on air, General Hospital knows how to tell powerful stories. The audience has seen it at its best, and they can tell when something isn't quite clicking. Now, let's talk about Casius as a character. He isn't your typical villain. He carries emotional weight, especially with his connection to the past. His presence brings back grief, confusion, and unresolved pain. That alone gives him depth. But at the same time, there's something unsettling about him. He feels less like a mastermind and more like a fractured figure, someone shaped by damage rather than control. That makes him unpredictable in a different way, and that's exactly why his ending matters so much. There are a few possible directions the story could take. One option is a tragic exit, something dramatic and emotionally heavy that echoes past losses. Soap operas often use that kind of symmetry to hit viewers hard. Another possibility is redemption. Not a simple one, but a complex arc where Casius begins to understand the damage he's caused. That kind of storyline could give the character real depth before an eventual exit. But there's also a third possibility. And honestly, it's the worst one. He could simply fade away without impact. No major consequences. No emotional payoff. Just another character who came and went without leaving a real mark. And that's what fans don't want. If Casius is going to leave, it should matter. It should affect the people around him. It should change something in Port Charles. Because at the end of the day, that's what keeps viewers invested. Now, looking ahead, it's still unclear what will happen. Ryan Paevey could continue balancing projects and remain part of the show. Soap actors do this all the time. So nothing is confirmed yet. But the uncertainty is definitely there. And that uncertainty is exactly what's making fans uneasy. Still, one thing is certain. The story isn't over yet. There are still secrets waiting to come out, consequences waiting to unfold, and emotional moments still on the horizon. So the real question is, what kind of ending are we heading toward? A tragic fall? A redemption story? Or a quiet exit that leaves fans disappointed? Right now, all options are on the table. And maybe that unpredictability is the only thing keeping viewers watching closely. Let me know what you think in the comments.